students, today we are going to discuss about median. Median is a measure of central tendency. A median is a value separating the higher half from the lower half of a data sample. Median divides the whole data into two equal parts. 50% of the observations will be smaller than the median, while the other 50% will be larger than the median. Let us see median of ungrouped data. When the number of values in the data is odd, the median is a middle value in the ordered data. That means median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. When the number of values in the data is even, the median will be the average of the two middle values in the ordered data. That is, median is equal to average of n by 2th observation and n plus 2 by 2th observation. Let us see an example. See this example. There are numbers given. The number of value is odd in the first category: 100, 92, 105, 98, 82, 101 and 90. There are 7 items, so it is odd. So whenever you calculate median, you have to first order the number of elements into ascending or descending order. In the next line, I have ordered it in the ascending order. Ascending order, I have arranged it as 82, 90, 92, 98, 100, 101, 105. So here the median will be 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So fourth value will be the median. So here the fourth value is 98. So in the first example, 98 is a median value. So let us see the next example. The numbers are given: 100, 92, 105, 98, 82, 101, 90 and 102. So I have ordered it in the ascending order as 82, 90, 92, 98, 100, 101, 102 and 105. And here we have to take the average of the two middle values. The total number of elements is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 2th value, that means fourth value will be fourth value is 98, and the n plus 2 by 2. N plus 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. 10 by 2. That is the fifth value. Okay. The fifth value here is 100. So the average of 98 and 100, that will be 99. So in the even number of items are there, after arranging it in the ascending or descending order, you have to find out the average of the two middle values. That is the average of n by 2th plus n plus 2 by 2th value. So here the answer is 99 for the even number of items. Now, let us see the median for a simple frequency distribution. So here the value of the variable corresponding to the cumulative frequency of n plus 1 by 2 if odd, and average of n by 2 plus 1 term is the median if the number is even. So let us see an example, then only it will be clear to you. See here the marks of students are given as X in the first column as 35, 40, 30, 45 and 36. And in the second column the number of students F. So the total sigma F or N is equal to 31. So here 31 is the odd value. It is here, it is odd value. So how will you calculate the median? So let us see how to calculate the value. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to see this, you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending or descending order. Now see, these numbers are not in any of this order. So in the next slide, I have put it in the ascending order as 30, 35, 36, 40 and 45. After that, you have to add the frequencies. So the frequency is 31, total frequency is 31, and then you make another column of a cumulative frequency. How will you get the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency, it is got by adding, see the third column, adding each of the frequencies, each of the rows. See, 5 plus 6 is 11 and 11 plus 9 is 20. Like that you will get the cumulative frequency. The n will always be equal to the last number in the cumulative frequency. It will always be same. See, this 31 and this 31 will always be same. The total n will be same as the last number in the cumulative frequency. So here it is 31. So let us see how to calculate the median. If it is odd number, it is very easy. The formula is n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 31, so 31 plus 1 is equal to 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So the 16th value will be the median value. Here the 16th value is, you have to find out which number comes in the cumulative frequency after 16. So here after 16 the value comes as 20. So the cumulative the median value will be 36. So it might not be clear to you. Let us see in a detailed manner. See, there are 5 numbers of 30 are 5 in number, 35 are 6 in number, 36 are 9 in number. So if you plot these numbers, you will get like this. See, there are 5 30s here. After that there are 635 plotted here. After that the 936 plotted here. So if you count like that, the 16th value will come as 36. So like that, the 16th value is 36 here. So 36 is the median of this problem. So let us see how to calculate median for the discrete. For even number, if n is even number, how will you calculate? Similarly, if you get a question, you have to arrange a frequency according to descending or ascending order. So that way, like previous problem, we have written in the ascending order. Now let us see how to calculate. So here, if the value of n, the cumulative frequency total n is 30, that is even number, then how will you calculate the median? The median will be the average of, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. You can say here n by 2 means 30 by 2, that is 15. 15th term will be 36, and n by 2 plus 1 is 16th term. 16th observation here is also 36. So the average of 36 and 36 is again 36 only. So here the median you got again as 36 is a median value. See, similarly, I have plotted all these numbers to make you more easy. So here see, the 16th value and 15th value are 36 only. So if you take the average of these two numbers, again you will get 36. So in this problem, 36 is the median value that divides the data set into two equal parts. 50% of these values are above 36 and 50% of the value are below 36. Hope that now this is very clear to you. Now let us see how to calculate median for continuous data. The formula for calculating median is L1 plus n by 2 minus f divided by fm into c. Here, L1 is lower limit of class interval where median falls. N is the total frequency. Fm is equal to frequency of median class. F is cumulative frequency above median class. C is the width of median class. Now, N is equal to the total for this problem. Let us see the values. So the class interval is given in the first column and frequency is given in the second column, and we have cumulative frequency we have to calculate. So cumulative frequency, the last column, the last row you see it is 64, so that is the total N. So now the N is 64 here, and how will you find out the L1? L1 is the lower limit of the class interval where median falls. Here how will you estimate or guess the median? Median is calculated in this series, continuous series, by dividing n by 2. That here n is 64, so 64 divided by 2 you will get 32. So the n lies, the 32 lies here in this class 15 to 19, because the number which is just above 32 is 39. So most probably the median will be in this class. So here for adding, we are not adding n plus 1. In the discrete series we added 1, but in class interval we will assume the median by calculating n by 2 only, because we do not know exactly where the median value lies. So the L1 is the lower limit of the class interval where median falls, that will be 15, and C is the width of the median class interval, that is 4, that you got by subtracting 9 minus 5 you get 4, again 14 minus 10 you get 4. So here the width of the class interval is 4, that is the C, and F is the cumulative frequency just above the median class. Here the cumulative frequency just above the median class is 13. So the median class is 15 to 90, so the number the cumulative frequency just above the median class is 13. So F is equal to 13, and Fm is the cumulative, is the frequency of the median class. Not cumulative frequency, the frequency of the median class. Here the 26 is the Fm. So by substituting, so we are going to substitute all the values in this formula. L1 is 15, so 15 plus n by 2 is 32, F is 13, so 32 minus 13 divided by Fm is 26 into 4. Now 15 plus 19 divided by 26 into 4. So we got 19 by 26 is 0.73, 0.73 multiplied by 4 is 2.92. So 15 plus 2.92 is 17.92. So in this problem 17.92 is the median. Hope that the calculation of median is clear to you. The other problems are, the link for the other problems are given in the description box link. So please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.